The impact of data breaches on businesses. My name is Antonio Tavares, and welcome to our video about the impact of data breaches on businesses. Data breaches are becoming an increasingly common problem for businesses. The impact of these breaches can be devastating, affecting everything from the company's reputation to its bottom line. In this video, we'll explore the impact of data breaches on businesses and what they can do to protect themselves. Every year, businesses lose millions of dollars due to data breaches. The consequences can be far-reaching and long-lasting, affecting the company and its customers, employees, and stakeholders. A data breach can lead to the loss of sensitive information, financial losses, and a tarnished reputation, making it difficult for the company to recover. There are a few key best practices businesses can follow to help keep their data secure and protect it from malicious actors. Use secure passwords. The most basic level of data security is using strong, secure passwords. Make sure you use different passwords for each account and that they are at least 10 characters long with a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common passwords and change them regularly. Enable multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication provides an extra layer of security for your accounts. With multi-factor authentication, users must provide additional proof, such as a code sent to a phone or a fingerprint, to gain access. This helps to prevent unauthorized access even if a password is stolen or guessed. Encrypt all sensitive information. When it comes to your data, encryption is key. Encryption scrambles data so that someone with the correct key can only read it. This is important in protecting your data from potential hackers and other security threats. Implement access controls. Access controls are essential to ensure that only authorized personnel access sensitive information. Implementing access controls can help prevent unauthorized access and provide an additional layer of security. Monitor and log. All activity. Monitoring and logging all activity on your systems is a must. This will allow you to identify suspicious activity and take the necessary steps to secure your data. Train employees. Training your employees on security best practices is essential. Ensure they understand the importance of strong passwords and other security measures. Having a well-trained staff will help ensure that your data is secure. Use security software. Security software such as antivirus, anti-malware, and firewalls can help protect your data from external threats. Regularly update and patch your software to ensure the most up-to-date protection. By taking the proper steps, businesses can ensure the security of their data. Using secure passwords, enabling multi-factor authentication, encrypting sensitive data, implementing access controls, monitoring and logging activity, training employees, and using security software are all key steps in keeping your data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit us at flowengage.com.